Hey guys, we have got our music playing. We are getting ready in our garden. There's my farmer Scott. He just looks so good in that hat. Anyway, we are here. We're gonna harvest some of our goodness out of here. Not everything is ready, but we're gonna show you everything and how everything's doing again. We are 2 months in. I think we are getting less and less of those little holes now. We have figured out how to treat our plants. But we've got a lot of lettuce and tomatoes, and we're gonna do it. All right, guys, time to cut this beautiful cauliflower that we grew. I have never grown a cauliflower before. I thought it was kind of wild that some of them looked a little purple. But when we talked to others and looked up online, they said the cauliflower is really great, especially raw, if it is purple. Some all come out all white. All right, guys, so we've got our lettuce that we've cleaned and gotten all prepared. That is red leaf and green leaf. And then we're putting in our cauliflower. I have onions growing, but they were too small, so I did get a nice little red onion from a neighbor. The one thing that's really cool about where I live is they used to be zoned horse properties, and a lot of people do gardens here. And they also do lots of things, like I now have fresh walnuts. That yesterday we met a neighbor who we sold some things to in our garage sale. We have a community garage sale. And today, this morning, we had given him some things very cheaply, and also gave him some charcoal for a new grill he had that we had. And today he repaid us with these fresh, beautiful walnuts and these tart cherries that he had dried. Also gave us raisins, which we're not putting in, and some fresh hazelnuts. But today, just for our salad, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put in some of those cherries. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get some fresh homemade salad dressing started. All right, last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and cut up these beautiful homemade tomatoes that we just pulled from the garden. There's nothing better than a fresh tomato. We're gonna put them in our salad. Our beautiful cherry tomatoes. Here is one of our little green peppers. Little rounds. And I can't help myself but to put our fresh little strawberries in. I think something. Not even gonna cut them. They're little. All right, guys, so this is the olive oil that I'm using. I did take a picture of all of the products that I use, and you're gonna go ahead and take that bottle that I showed you right here. I will put a link to this bottle for you on Amazon. I have had it for a few years. It is amazing to make homemade salad dressing in. Really easy. You can store it in the refrigerator. It does not leak. We're going to go ahead and put a half a cup of that extra virgin olive oil in that cup. And to make it easy, we're going to go ahead and, here's the balsamic. Okay. That is my balsamic of preference. You can get it pretty much at any Smith's, Kroger's, even Walmart, I think. I just bought a new one. And we're going to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of balsamic. The other thing, if you like red wine vinegar, you can also substitute red wine vinegar for the same. So that's a 1/4 cup of that. And then I take about a half a tablespoon. I just like to use the same scoop so I don't have to dirty up a lot of stuff. Of garlic, minced garlic. You can also use fresh. I just happen to have this in my house right now. I'm going to go ahead and use that same tablespoon so that I don't, again, have to dirty 2 spoons. And we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of honey. So easy. I use this whole earth. You can get it in the individual packs. You would put 2 teaspoons in. I just put 2 of these packs in to give it a little bit more sweetness. I know the honey can do it if you don't like it, but you can get a little more tartness. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take a nice teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Plop that on in there. I'm going to go ahead and close up. And just make sure, if you look on top, so this is open to pour, this is sealed. It is very sealed, and you are just going to shake, shake, shake. It is absolutely amazing. Subscribe and like to Nash Vegas Sisters. I love to cook. I'm going to start putting a whole lot of recipes on, simple things that you can daily do for your family, or if you're an individual, something quick. So I hope you liked it, and I'll see you again soon. All right, guys, we just got some of that beautiful dressing on our salad, and we're going to go ahead and give this a shot with our fresh tomatoes and lettuce and cauliflower and all the goodness from here, and a fresh piece of walnut, and we'll let you know exactly what this is like. Ooh, can't forget the cherry. All right, guys, let's test it out with our dressing. Guys, this is a 10 out of 10. So if you love this recipe, go ahead and leave me a comment. If you have made anything like this and you've added other things to it, I'd love to know if there's a variety of things that you do to this. Make sure that you check. I will put that link to that bottle. It is absolutely an awesome product from Amazon. Go ahead and just press the link. You can go straight to it, have it in a couple of days, and make this salad. Feel free to like and subscribe. It is free, and we try to do a whole bunch of things every day, so you never know what you'll find. I can't wait to see the stuff that comes out of the Nashville garden and what she's going to make out of hers. See you soon.